everyone, today I'm sharing my hashtag strategy on how I get discovered on Instagram. If you're wondering how to step up your social media game, where to find hashtags, who looks at hashtags, how to find hashtags, how to use any of this to your advantage, keep watching because I'm going to go through it all. First, let's talk about hashtags. I've heard so many times throughout the years that hashtags are dead, you don't need them, but I can tell you right now that that's how so many people have found me, is through hashtags. I can see it on my business profile in my analytics that every single one of my posts that I post that I have hashtags on, someone's found me through those hashtags. So I'm going to walk you through my step-by-step process on how I find hashtags, how you can use hashtags, and where you can get the best hashtags for your posts. So let's get into it and get into it a little bit better. We're going to talk about how to find hashtags on Instagram. So I found this hashtag called styled. It's a hashtag that I've used frequently so that I can use it for my fashion posts or something like that. So if you can find what hashtags you're interested in, and then you can find related hashtags from there. So as you can see at the top of the page, there's Style Guide, which has 1.7 million posts. There's Style Diary, which has 609,000 posts. My recommendation is that you stick between 100,000 and 1 million posts per hashtag, but it can range for different things. Like if you use a hashtag related to your city and there's not as many posts, you're welcome to use that and have people find you through that. Also, you can use a bigger post. You may not always be trending, but it could be a good way for people to find you, especially if that's a trending topic right now. I know I posted hashtag Earth Day on Earth Day, and I had so much more engagement on that post because it was a trending topic. Another great way you can go about this is by looking at the hashtags of the people who are trending on the hashtag you want to be on. You can look at different ones, like I clicked on Style Inspo, and I like Christy Russell. Her post is really cute. And so you can look at their hashtags that they use and maybe add some of those hashtags to your posts that are related. So I would put love the skin you're in, or style tip, or spring lookbook, or outfit ideas, feel good style, something like that, because then you can see, will those work for you too? You can look at how many posts they have for those. Going through this whole process is kind of tedious, but it's worked really well for me. And if you put in the time and effort for this, it can work really good for you too. I know that for a fact. The third way is to use someone else's hashtags. And sometimes this may not always work because you're trusting that they know what they're doing. And most of the times, people don't know what they're doing. So if you copy and paste their hashtags to your posts, it may not perform as well as theirs because they may not have done the research that is needed for that post. Does that make sense? Because sometimes bigger people automatically start trending because they have more engagement than someone who's smaller. But if you use these strategies, then there's a potential that you can have a higher reach than even they do. Another way you can go about this is by looking at what's trending on Twitter. It sounds weird to say, look at Twitter to see what to post on Instagram, but there's different things that you can look at. Like every holiday, if you post Christmas stuff, look at the hashtags that are trending for Christmas. I mentioned before that I did hashtag Earth Day and I was trending on Earth Day because I knew that it was a current event and a lot of people would be posting about it, looking for it, and things like that. That's why a lot of people during the election were trending for different things like that. Memorial Day just passed. Today is like a weird holiday. It's National Hamburger Day. So go eat a hamburger, take a picture, and put it on your Instagram. So these are just different ways that you can go about it. I like those because people are looking for those. They're trending and kind of fun things that you can include in your Instagram feed, especially if it's related to what you're talking about already. Another thing you can try is using a hashtag generator. There's so many different free apps out there that you can type in a certain hashtag and it'll generate hashtags that are similar to that. It works and it doesn't, because one time I typed in hashtag Florida blogger and it gave me hashtags for all 50 states when I only wanted ones relating to Florida. So it kind of works and it doesn't. Just be super vigilant because sometimes it can add really weird hashtags that have nothing related to it at all. So it's a great way to get free hashtags, but honestly, you get what you get. So I would say put in the effort if you can, and if you have the time, to looking for your own hashtags that work the best for you and your audience. If all of that sounds hard, you're not wrong. It's hard, and it takes a lot of time, and it takes a lot of effort, and sometimes you don't want to put it in. And I totally get it. Sometimes social media is not everyone's thing, but I have something for you. I have my very first free product, and I created it all. It took a lot of time, but I know people don't have a lot of time to put forth to this. So that's why I created your very own hashtag power bank. I have every single hashtag that I've seen, that I've done research on, for a ton of different niches, from home decor to mom life, photography, fashion, beauty, lifestyle, travel, all of the above. And if you're looking for extra stuff, I can help you with that too. If you have a specific niche, feel free to message me, and I would love to help you in any way I can. But if you sign up down below, you'll be able to get that free PDF straight to your inbox, and you'll be able to mix and match and do whatever you'd like with them. And if it works for you, I would love to see it, and I would love to know what benefit it has had for your social media presence. So don't forget to tag me and let me know your progress and how it's benefited you, because I would love to see it. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. Here are my social media handles, and don't forget to hit that bell icon because you'll be notified every single time I post. Thanks for watching.